guys, running Kimono here. So, the little coupon giveaway that I hosted on Thursday, we have 2 winners. They've already reached out to me, so those coupons are already long gone. Congratulations to both Amy and Jennifer, and thank you to everybody who participated. And the biggest thank you to Coupon John for being so generous and sending those inserts my way. And I just turned around and sent them to you guys. So anyhow, let's dive into this video. So this is about the weirdest Dollar General clearance event I've ever participated, because you guys know I like to go into the store, do my homework, make a list, check it twice, be super organized, and this was not the case today. I did pay a little bit out of pocket for this because I grabbed a couple items right here to grab some overage. This was not a store that I frequent a lot, and a couple times that I've gone there, it's not the greatest experience. So that being said, I just really wanted to be super duper careful that, you know, I wasn't causing any problems. So I did grab something so I would have at least a balance. I know that a lot of you probably wouldn't do that, but I did not want any trouble and I wanted all of these items. That being said, I did have one snag in my transaction where I had two $2 digital coupons for the Herbal Essence shampoo that did not come off. And I'm not sure what happened, but I've noticed at the Dollar General, I think it was last week, I had a digital that didn't come off, and then this time it didn't. And I usually never have problems with scanning barcodes in the store, but it's just some issues for me, so it was kind of goofy and weird. But still, with the overage that I got from this item and the dial, and the Febreze, it still paid for that. So I still got 61 cents of overage after everything was said and done. It would have been a lot nicer to get $1.57, but hey, it is the breaks. So just to talk a little bit more about the Dollar General, so there was a rumor earlier in the week that there was going to be a clearance event this weekend. And how I figured it out this morning, a friend actually clued me in. She said that any store that had a 70% off during the June clearance event would be participating in this one. So there was a very tiny amount in this region, like maybe 2 or 3 stores like that did it at 70. Most of them were at 50, so most of them were not participating. So what was left over was kind of slim pickings, but I still managed to get, like, you know, all of this for free and a 61-cent overage, which is still pretty good. And again, I did not want any trouble at checkout, so I grabbed this for $5, a drink for myself, and a little candy bar for Mr. Kimono, so I'd have a balance and I wouldn't, you know, end up getting thrown out in the store. And that easily could have happened because 2 of the employees were fighting when I first walked in, and I was like, oh God, this isn't gonna be great. So I had the presence of mind to do this. I know a lot of you probably wouldn't, you know, grab a couple other things, but I just did not want any trouble. So I grabbed a couple little items. So let's dive right into this. I was so delighted to find 2 of these items, and if you want to see if one of your local stores is participating in clearance, so this guy is $2.70. So at 70% off, he would be exactly 81 cents. So if you want to stop the video, open up your Dollar General app and scan this, and if it's ringing up for 81 cents, you know for a fact that your store is participating in the clearance event. The clearance event is taking place right up until Sunday, so it's kind of cool. This store had very slim pickings of merch too. It wasn't like, you know, like my usual haul where it's like triple this size. So, but I was happy with what I got. So these guys were 81 cents each. So for 3 of them, that's $2.43. I would pay that all day, every day, because I like these little refills for the Mr. Clean Freak. My mom loves this product too, and I know she wants more of these. There's a $1 off 2 digital coupon. Unfortunately, the one from the P&G I couldn't even throw into this haul because there was only 3 in the store, so meh. But anyhow, subtracting that $1 off 2 digital, I ended up paying $1.43 for the 3, or 47 cents each, which is an unheard of price for this. This was a complete freebie. It's the Febreze pet one. These are the larger ones. They are 800 mils or 27 fluid ounce, so it's a larger bottle. These guys are $1.35 each at 70% off, and I'll show you guys the UPC rate here if you want to look at your store. So buying 2 of them, that's a price of $2.70. We have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon, so it made it free plus a 30 cents of overage. So I mean, it's nothing to sneeze at right there, and that's what these 2 look like. So I was very lucky to find 2 of these. I was able to track down one of these, and like, this was really cool. This daisy was $1.35 at 70% off. And just to show you the barcode right here. So this was free plus $1.65 of overage. Now this is where I came into the little snaggeroo. In the Retail Me Not of July the 12th, there is a 2 off a 2. So I used 1 paper coupon, and then I had a $2 digital for this one, a $2 off of 1, and then a 2 off a 2. So that theoretically should have given me, like, this gave me a little bit of overage, but this should have given me an extra $1.56 and all free. What happened is at 81 cents each for 5 of them, it was $4.05. That 2 off a 2 from the Retail Me Not came off for this. The other digitals, they didn't even, they're still on my store card. So I don't know what happened, if this one cut those 2 out or what happened. It was just weird. So I ended up paying $2.05 for the 5, but you know, the overage from other items grabbed it, so it's not the worst thing, and I'm not gonna be going back and saying, I need to speak to the manager, blah, 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 blah. Oh, and the Herbal Essence, it's the Color Me Happy with this barcode. Sorry guys, and these were ringing up 81 cents each. So I would not use that paper coupon from the insert with this, because for whatever reason it's goofing it up. And this one's called Moroccan Shine, and here is the UPC for this one. If it'll ever focus, there it is. And then this is the final P&G product, and this I wish I could have found a lot more, but I only found 2 of them. Again, a lot of the stuff was really picked over. The Olay was $1.49 at 70% off. Of course, I can never find it. Here's the UPC, guys. We have a $1.50 digital coupon, so it made it free plus a penny of overage. And also, there was a $1.50 coupon found in the July P&G, so I was able to use one of those as well, and that worked perfectly. It didn't kick out the digital coupon. Maybe if you're a Dollar General, you can let me know what the scoop is with that. And then with the Olay, the Herbal Essence, the Febreze, and the Mr. Clean, and the Gillette, I can photograph my receipt to P&G Good every day and get probably 250 points, so winning. The final little deal that I got, this one was tremendous. I wish I could find more, but again, I was happy to find 2 of each. I only visited 1 store. These body washes were, so these body washes were 94 cents each. I had a $2 coupon from the Retail Me Not of July the 12th, so it made it free plus $1.06 of overage. So it gave me $2.12 of overage. Towards my basket, and the little snafu with this, basically this covered this, and yeah, everything went well. So after everything was said and done, because this I had $1.53, so this overage grabbed it, and then that was a very tiny overage, and as was the Olay. After everything was said and done, guys, I think it was like 61 cents of overage. It would have been a lot nicer if those 2 digitals worked, but you know, I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. And to answer just a quick question on why I didn't use 2 paper coupons on the Herbal Essence, it was a 2 off of 2. So whenever you have a coupon like that or a buy one, get one free, essentially what you have to do is give the cashier 2 Herbal Essences, scan a coupon. 2 Herbal Essence, scan a coupon. And I just knew that wouldn't fly at this one location I was at today. Sometimes you can read a room. I'm not trying to be hard either on staff, but I mean, I did hear some arguing and it was just tense Friday afternoon, and I just wanted to have fun. So that's why I grabbed my couple little items, and I think I paid $6 out of pocket for the Angel Soft and my other goodies. And it would have been really nice if the Herbal Essence would have kicked out that overage for me, but it was only $1.57, so I still was going to pay $5 win, lose, or draw. So I'm okay with my little filler items, and you know, it is what it is. And often when I'm not at a store where I know a manager or employees, I sometimes will add in extra stuff so I don't have like zero balances. And I know that's not everybody's cup of tea, but again, I really wanted all this stuff and I didn't want any trouble. So that was kind of my my thoughts today. And if you can line this up, open up the app, scan one of those barcodes, and if it's ringing up 70% off at your location, get out and try a couple of these deals. You have nothing to lose. Okay guys, and this is Friday the 17th only. This is in store and in line. All of the candles are $14.50. The original price point is $24.50. This candle really captured my imagination. It's banana walnut muffin. The scents are sweet banana, golden nutmeg, cinnamon sugar, and magic. Just a beautiful candle. So I'm going to let this guy sit for 5 days before I even smell it. But I have been wondering about this for some time. So I was really excited to go to the store today and grab one. It's kind of a more difficult store to shop at because everything you just want to put your face in and smell. But that's just not permitted now with everything going on, especially in Michigan. It's mandatory to wear masks and behave, and you know, you have to really behave in the store. So, you know, I'm buying it. So hopefully I like it. And I only bought one, just in case I hate it. But it seems to have some really cool notes and the packaging is really beautiful. So again, I'm going to wait 5 days before I light it up or even smell it. But how adorable is this candle? And that $10 off is online and in store, and it's today only, which is Friday the 17th. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.